Guys, it's Danica here. So I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way to create volume at the crown or the roots of your hair. You are going to need hairspray, preferably one that has good hold, but also makes your hair feel soft and touchable. So you want a flexible hairspray, not one that's going to make your hair sticky and crusty feeling. And you're also just going to need a hair tie. That's all you're going to need. Okay, so as you can see, like my hair looks nice down here, but then when we get to the root, the crown, it just looks flat and just lacking in volume. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to brush our hair. Then you're just gonna wanna put your hair in a loose, high ponytail. So it's in a loose, high ponytail. I only tied it, I only twisted it twice to make it really loose. And then you're going to grab your hairspray. The one that I'm using is Tresemme Hairspray Extra Hold. Superior hold with touchable feel. You could use any hairspray, honestly, that just claims to not make your hair crusty. Okay, so then you're just gonna wanna spray your roots. Spray your roots like all over the front, the sides, and the back. So I'm gonna do that in the mirror because it's actually really hard to see in the camera. Then once you've sprayed it all over, do not spray your ponytail, just spray the roots, like this part of your scalp basically. And so you want to let the hairspray set. So I usually wait about 10 minutes for it to dry, and then I'm going to show you the magical results. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Now you're just going to take your ponytail out. And you are going to shake your scalp like that. And you're gonna brush your roots out. Brush it out. Because this is a touchable hairspray, you can actually brush the hairspray out, but still get that lift. Okay, so the hairspray is brushed, and as you can see, there already is volume going on in my bangs. That's like where most of the hairspray went. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're going to use your hair tie again, and you're gonna make a ponytail at the crown of your head here. At the back, so that you can get product in this area, because you got most of the product in this front pieces here. So now you want to get it in the back area so that the back of your head looks more voluminous. Okay, so this is what it should look like. It should kind of stick up like this, so that it's like sticking straight up. And then you want to concentrate your hairspray game on this area here of your roots. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna do the same thing, wait 10 minutes for it to set and dry. Might even have to just wait 5 minutes, like however long it takes to dry basically. We're gonna take it out and see the final result. Okay, so the hairspray is dried. It's been about 5 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna take it out right now. Ooh! Look. Wow. Already there's a big difference, but anyways, I'm gonna brush this out so that it feels nice again, because I don't like my hair feeling gross and sticky. Here is the finished result. Side, back, side, front. I think it looks really good, personally. Way more fuller and voluminous. And it's pretty instant. Took me about 10 minutes in total to do this. And my favorite thing about it is that you don't need a hairdryer and you don't need any heat tools. You don't need to damage your hair with heat. Doing it this way So I hope you like this video, and let me know if you have any questions below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!